Hey guys, it is Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. A lot has changed since the last time I filmed a YouTube video or posted on this channel. Here's a little life update. The first and most exciting thing, I got engaged and married all within 3 months. At least I think. I got engaged to Brent on March 27th, 2024. We have been dating for 4 years, so it was about time. Here is the gorgeous ring that he picked out. And I also got married, like literally a week and a half ago. So I got married in the Florida Keys. Well, we actually got eloped. Let me specify. We got eloped in the Florida Keys, and it was like the most perfect thing ever. I'm very excited to get the video together and post it, which I'm very behind on editing and posting, so a video will be coming out soon. But right now, this is how it is working out. I am in the process of moving out of my Nana's house. I have been living with her for about 1.5 years now, and prior to that, I was living with my parents. So yes, I have never lived on my own. I don't really care though, because I was able to save a lot of money. So now this new chapter in my life, I am moving in with my now husband, which is so weird to say. The title of this video, I am moving out today and I am way behind. I literally haven't packed anything. In about 20 minutes, we have to leave to go pick up a U-Haul truck, bring it to my Nana's house and pack everything in there and come back here. I got a lot to do today. Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. We just made it to the U-Haul pickup. We don't know which one's ours yet, but...
Only small ones.
Is it 15 feet or 15? Oh, we got 10. So we've had a little bit of a situation. It's currently 10:15. We were supposed to be on the road by 9:30 with the U-Haul. The U-Haul I showed you guys has a flat tire. We are responsible for waiting for roadside assistance. So while we are waiting, I'm getting gas. The gas station pumps aren't working. Every time we put my card in, it locks it and then it doesn't process it. So now Brent's going inside to pay. I guess like no moving day ever goes easy. The fact that we literally have to wait here for their tire to get fixed, like why are we responsible for this? There's so many in the parking lot they could have given us, but no, we have to wait and we've already been here for an hour and Brent's very upset. Yeah, I'm filming my moving day.
Oh my god.
How do you feel? Well, you can just sit there, relax, I'll pack up everything.
Yep.
Get in! Up. Oh, yay! You wanna move in with us?
She's a pressure brain.
I'm gonna miss her. Her mom, Lexi, if you guys remember Lexi, I filmed her birth vlog. She gave birth to 12 puppies. Star was one of the puppies that we kept, but her mom, Lexi, passed away on May 1st, unexpectedly, and it was so sad. And she has been acting so different now. That was a really sad time in our lives. We're still recovering. So for now, I plan on leaving my bed. I will be taking that. The desk stays here. This is the new dresser that I will be adding to Brent and I's bedroom. I am going to miss this closet. I have a walk-in closet and the one in our new bedroom is super small and I don't know where I'm gonna put all these clothes, like seriously. It comes with a built-in storage unit and I have all of my stuff in here. I was able to take out most of my, actually no I didn't, I guess I didn't unpack, okay. Clearly I have a lot to get done. If you guys need a little moving hack and need some boxes for moving, go to Trader Joe's and you can literally go in there and ask for boxes for moving, specifically banana boxes. This is from my work because I work at Trader Joe's and I like these because it has handles. Obviously it doesn't hold too much. I also have an egg carton that comes with handles, so there's a little hack for you if you ever need some moving boxes. Just hit up Trader Joe's. I love this area so much. It has been my favorite part. I love sitting there and like watching YouTube and reading my Bible. Sadly, I never filmed any videos sitting here. I meant to. I'm gonna really miss this place and I'm especially gonna miss living with my Nana. It's been really sad for her, but also sad for me. This whole area was actually renovated. This used to be the garage of this house. So when you walk in there, that's like the main part of the house. So this whole side has been my side for the past 1.5 years. For a week and a half and we're already fighting. things. So we got the most important things out of my room. I still have my closet full of my clothes. I'm not able to get them at this time. So I'm gonna have to come back probably tomorrow I might come back. Also through this I realized that I have way too much stuff.
Are you confused?
Here is the aftermath of unloading the U-Haul. So for right now, we have most of my stuff downstairs. I plan on organizing all of this and where it needs to go after we drop the U-Haul off. I'm also very hangry right now, so hopefully when we get back, I can cook us a lunch. We just made it home and it is now time to start cooking in our new Nosh oven. One of the best things about this oven is its 8-in-1 functionality. So it's not only an oven, it's a steamer, an air fryer, and so much more. They have 2 different colors to choose from. I chose the color Ivory Mist, which goes really well with my kitchen. This oven is the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. It also has a really cute retro look to it, and it's also minimal at the same time. So because we are still in the process of moving, I'm going to cook something very easy and convenient. These are the chimichurri chicken thigh skewers from Trader Joe's. So I thought this would be the first thing I would cook in my new mini oven. It's super easy to use, so let's get started. The best thing about this is it heats up in just 20 seconds. So no more waiting for an oven to preheat. It heats up very quickly and saves so much time, especially for a day like today. I don't want to cook and I don't want to wait for an oven to preheat. So this is such a great feature. We ended up cooking the chicken on the vapor bake setting, which is supposed to circulate wet heat, and the steam feature on this oven is supposed to lock in nutrients and flavor for tender and juicy results, which I do feel like it gave those results for sure. The skewers turned out perfect and they weren't dry at all. We served it over rice, which it turned out so delicious, and Brent definitely approves, which is a good sign. If you want mess-free cleaning, this oven also has a steam clean feature, which is so convenient because all you have to do is run it through the cycle, use a paper towel and wipe it down, and it looks brand new. If you're looking to simplify your kitchen, these Ciara products are definitely worth considering. You guys can check out the link in the description, and I also have the discount code on the screen right now. You can get it for just $189. And a big thank you to Ciara Appliances for sponsoring this part of the video. Here is a little bit of how it is looking. So we have finally gotten the big chair in. It took us to remove the actual door. We almost had to remove the legs of the couch, but it wasn't working. So I'm really excited about how this is looking. As you can tell, I still have a lot of stuff to put away, but for right now, I have nowhere to put this stuff. This bedroom also has an extra bathroom. Kind of have some extra makeup stuff lying here. My goal is to kind of use this room as a filming room. Here is our bedroom that I was able to pick up, and it is now looking pretty decent, which by the way, it has been a couple of days since the last time I filmed. So Brent was at work for 2 days straight, so 48 hours I did not see him, which gave me plenty of time to clean up while he was gone. I love that nothing is on the floor and everything is put away. Even though this is a 2-bedroom and 2.5 bath place, I'm still getting used to the size because I obviously came from a house and that's completely different than a townhome, but it's making me realize that you just kind of have to work with what you got. Brent hung up this picture, which is really cute, right above the dresser, which by the way, I was able to go to Nana's house and bring back my clothes, but I did leave my winter clothes because it is way too hot right now to wear that. Here's our bathroom. I just added like this spot over here. This is my little corner of different skincare and stuff. It's just a bathroom. I don't plan on decorating this place too much because we don't plan on living here for too long. I'm gonna end the video here because there's not too much to show. If you are interested in a house tour, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below to let me know. But I just wanted to keep this video a little bit short and sweet, just to like give you a life update that I am married and now moved out. So a very exciting time. Thank you guys for watching this video, and a big thank you to Nosh Evans for sponsoring a part of the video. I love getting kitchen appliances, especially now that I'm in a new place. It's just so exciting. If you know me, I love to cook. The kitchen is where I'm at most of the day. But that is all. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more life updates or what I'm up to. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!